Hi, I'm Elza Gernhardt with GarageDoorSilencer.com, world leader in soundproofing garage door openers. Our revolutionary garage door silencer kit virtually eliminates the vibration and noise caused by your garage door opener. Easy to install, cost-effective, and the #1 way to reduce noise and vibration coming from your garage door to adjacent rooms in your home. In this video, you will learn how easy it is to install the garage door silencer kit on any new or existing garage door opener. Are you ready to dramatically reduce noise in your life? Let's get started.
Quick note, if you're watching this video and do not already have a garage door silencer kit, go to GarageDoorSilencer.com or call toll-free 866-774-2100. That's 866-774-2100. Materials included: 2 garage door silencer motor isolators, 4 1.5-inch Risic fender washers, 4 3/4-inch washers, 4 3.5-inch coarse thread screws, 2 3/4-inch bolts, 2 nylock nuts. Tools needed: ladder, safety glasses, tape measure, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, 2 7/16 wrenches, cordless drill, 5/16 drill socket, hacksaw or reciprocating saw, zip ties, which are optional. Installation instructions: close the garage door. Important tip: protect your eyes. Put on your safety glasses now to avoid any debris from getting into your eyes. Measure the distance from the ceiling to the top of the garage door opener motor. Important tip: be sure to write down this measurement. Disconnect the power from the garage door opener motor. Support the garage door motor with a ladder or stand. Disconnect metal brackets from ceiling. Disconnect the metal brackets from the existing garage door motor. Install the garage door silencer motor isolators using the Risic 1.5-inch fender washers and the 3.5-inch coarse thread screws. Important tip: screws need to be installed into the joist. For safety, it's better to drill new holes to make sure the garage door motor brackets are secure. Trim 4 inches from the bottom of the metal support brackets. to compensate for the 4-inch additional space the garage door silencer motor isolators will add. Bolt the metal brackets to the garage door silencer motor isolators using the 3/4 inch bolts, 3/4 inch washers, and the 7/16 nylock nuts. Measure and adjust height of garage door motor metal brackets using prior measurement taken earlier. Reinstall the garage door motor to the metal brackets using the original hardware. Plug in your garage door opener motor. Test and adjust if needed. Optional, use zip ties to secure wires for a clean, professional look.
As you can see, the garage door silencer kit is easy to install, effective at controlling vibration, and has virtually eliminated all noise. This is a simple project you can do yourself or have your local handyman or contractor install it for you. To purchase the garage door silencer kit for your home, go to garagedoorsilencer.com.
The garage door silencer kit and other PAC International products are proudly made in the USA. All of our products are green friendly and use recycled materials whenever possible. Soundproof your life. For more soundproofing and noise control solutions from PAC International Inc., go to pac-intl.com or call toll-free 866-774-2100. Distributors wanted. Join our growing network of over 900 distributors. Inquire about distributing cutting-edge product lines from PAC International.